This will go out to John Woods, John Wood, 77, or something like that. Might be the year you graduated, on the count of you enjoy Star Trek, which is understandable now that I understand you guys either follow the science, or you're following what science says, or uh, doubtful that you guys are scientists, you and Son of Kong. The original post by Son of Kong was time does exist. It's a measurable and observable um, empirical evidence. It's basically what physics says. So either he watched a video that said it, or physics has said it for so long, so many times, that he's just repeating it, because he can't be the one giver of the pure empirical evidence of time's existence. Being as, if it's measurable, that means it exists. And if you can see time, then you should be able to have empirical evidence. But here's the thing. Time, the fourth dimension, does not exist. It's only describing our memories of something, and our memories comes from the mind's imagination. Let me tell you something. It's a brain. You know, we always come up with something from nothing. The mind is the generated electricity trying to connect the dots from altering effects. Basically meaning motion does not exist. Reach out and touch it. If it's measurable, you're going to go off of a memory of where you supposedly once was here. And since you moved 2 feet, you think 2 is a number that is describing a value of motion. Now, if this sounds too profound for you guys, that's not my fault. If you can't understand it and then choose to mock me like the Socratic method does in arguments, just know that doesn't prove you're right. It just says that you guys don't understand and you can't move on. Because if you could, you'd be like, here's the empirical evidence, which you have yet to present. Also, you should know that the information I give to you, Son of Kong, and then later mocked by John Woods, as if I'm incorrect but cannot prove me wrong, when I'm basically giving you what science said a long time ago, pun intended. What happens when the sun comes up? Why is the sky blue? Well, it's a mirage. Oh, so it's a mirage. You mean it hides the fact that it's still the night sky? Meaning the day that is only existing because the sun is here, which is all the time, inside of a set place known as Eve. That basically should tell you that the light was birthed from the night. You know, air and water, both the same thing. It's not frozen.
Sleeplessly embracing your yearning to me, letting more this in the sea, and so you finally use it. Betting with me you see at night, your heart wears night armor.